Hi, Malahat. I'm going to talk to you about two things with your paragraph. Um, First of all, thank you for sharing your experience. Um, it's interesting that the way that you wrote it, it's very descriptive, and I can sense how you felt when you first came here. So I like the way the language that you choose to describe your experience. So we'll talk about two things you could improve. One is structure, so paragraph structure, and then the other are more details like grammatical structure. So the first thing with a paragraph, we want to make sure there's no spaces here or here, okay? And the first line you want to indent, usually of a paragraph. So no space here and no space here, indent your first line. As a topic sentence, uh, I think it's okay. I would like to describe a significant event in my life. It's clear. It has a focus. So you're going to, I mean, the focus is that you're going to describe this event, this single event. So I would say the topic sentence is clear. Um, so I would like to describe a significant event in my life. I remember when I came to Canada, the weather was moody, comma, changing often. Perfect. Again, you create an interesting um, mood or tone with this, with your language here. Everything was new because I was a new immigrant who needed help with everything. Um, so that part, the language is a little bit awkward. I might say, um, you could say everything was new for me and then start a new paragraph. I was a new immigrant who needed help with everything. I think because doesn't really work here. Um, it's not really a causal relationship. So it might be better in this sentence to divide it into two sentences. Okay? Next, green was the color that I saw everywhere. So I think you might want to clarify, do you mean green, the color in the trees, the color in the grasses, the plants, the mountains? So maybe just tell me what you mean here by green. Okay? Um, I enjoyed new places, comma, especially the city views at night. Okay, that's okay. Everything was beautiful and wonderful. All right, so you're going to carry that over here. However, I didn't like the winter here because it was cloudy and rainy. Okay, so I think after that, before your final sentence, you might want to say a little more about that. So, how did the cloudiness and raininess make you feel? Um, and then and then you can go to your next sentence, the last sentence. Finally, if I had to go to the past, or in English, we could say um, if I had to relive this experience, or if I had to do this again, um, if I had to make this decision again, and then you're going to use I would. I would choose this city again. Okay, sorry, let's see. If I had to do this again, if I had to choose this city again, definitely I would come back here. Because remember, if I had the structure, you're going to need this verb is going to be would. Okay, that's the conditional. Okay, so here it's a grammar error, grammar tense. Other than that, you actually don't make too many grammar mistakes. I would work on transitions though. So your transitions aren't smooth. So you might want to add more transitions, study the transitions a little more, and then try to use them again. So I want you to rewrite this with my feedback and with some more transitions, and keeping in mind what I say about the structure. This time, write it on paper and bring it to class. Okay, I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions.